Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bharat Shetty. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And if you are old and not subscribed, you should probably subscribe. So, this is a new segment that we are starting, which is known as Wednesday Wisdom. Yes. Wednesday Wisdom is a segment where we are going to share some random silly facts about things, stuffs which are around us, but we don't know much about them. Yes. So, as we know, this is Independence Week. You have probably guessed why I'm wearing white. So आज का segment is on Independence Day. 5 facts that you didn't know about independence. Our independence. You didn't know. Moving on. Number 1. We share our independence with 4 other countries. Did you know that we share our independence with 4 different countries? हाँ, हम हमारा independence 4 different countries से share करते हैं. जैसे एक बड़ा भाई अपने छोटे भाई के साथ कपड़े share करते हैं. वैसे तो नहीं, हाँ, बट हम शेयर करते हैं. सो बेसिकली द 4 कंट्रीज आर नॉर्थ कोरिया, साउथ कोरिया, बहरीन and Republic of Congo. Yes, we share our independence with 4 different countries. I bet you didn't know because nobody cares. But remember one thing, sharing is caring. Number 2. Plan of partition was planned before 15th of August. The plan of partition was declared on June 3rd, 1947. Yes, June, July and August. 3 महीना डिले क्यों? क्या ये सरकारी काम था? Actually सरकारी काम था, but I don't know. I'm not saying कि सरकारी काम स्लो होता है. सरकारी काम बहुत फास्ट होता है कभी कभी. Lieutenant Mountbatten executed it on 15th August because it was the 2nd anniversary for Japan's surrender to Allied forces. 3 महीना डिले क्यों करना है? यानी पार्टीशन करो, खत्म करो, जाओ अपने अपने घर यार. Moving on. Number 3. We didn't had our national anthem during our independence. Yes. Did you know that we didn't had our national anthem during our independence? Yes. 1947, 15th August, we didn't had any national anthem. Later around 1950s, we adopted a national anthem. Yes. 3 years later, in national 50s, I don't know the exact date when we adopted it, but we adopted it after our independence. Yes, the Bengali version of Jana Gana Mana was written by Rabindranath Tagore in 1911. It took us 50 years to adopt it. ये हमको 50 साल लग गए उसको अडॉप्ट करने के लिए. 50, almost 50 years, 40 years. A little too much time, थोड़ा सा, but ठीक है, क्या कर सकते हैं. Number 4. Our first Prime Minister was featured in Vogue magazine. Did you know our first Prime Minister, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, have featured in Vogue magazine? काफ़ी लोगों का सपना है Vogue magazine में feature करना. Okay? Yes, बहुत सारे struggling actors का सपना है Vogue magazine में feature करना. But it's a big thing. ठीक है? During that time he had that much impact. Look at him. His Nehru jacket is on point. By the way, the name Nehru jacket came because of this Vogue magazine. So his trend, his style became so famous in the West that his jacket, the way he dressed, was named as Nehru jacket. Yes. He didn't set the trend. He actually created a trend. Right? Number 4. Goa was not a part of independent India. Until 1961, Goa was not part of India. Yes, Goa was considered to be a Portuguese state. It was until when Indian troops annexed the state to India. Yes. See, I'm sorry for your loss, Goans. It took us almost around 14 years to figure out that you are a part of a country. But the good thing is, you made it. Yes. That is it for today, guys. But I have a bonus fact. Did you know that 10 grams of gold costed 88.26 rupees during our Independence Day? Yes. And even $1 was equal to 1 rupees during our times of independence. So we were a great deal, and we still are getting to that point that we are going to be a great deal in future. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe to my channel, And if you like something which is very weird, vlog kind of things, then you should probably come on next Friday, Faltu Friday. If you don't know what is Faltu Friday, and if you like vlogs and all those things, you should definitely subscribe to this channel. And I'll meet you on Friday.